This one recipe makes gray hair black again. Are you tired of spending money on expensive hair dyes that damage your hair, fade within weeks, and leave you with gray roots creeping back? What if one simple recipe using ingredients from your kitchen could help restore your hair's natural black color from the inside out without any chemicals? Most people don't know that this one recipe makes gray hair black again by providing the exact nutrients your melanocytes need to restart pigment production naturally. This ancient remedy has been used for generations, but science is now confirming why it works so powerfully. Today, I'm revealing the complete recipe, how to prepare it correctly, and the science explaining why these specific ingredients can help reverse gray hair and restore your natural black color. Stick around until the end because I'll expose the biggest mistake that ruins this recipe's effectiveness and prevents your gray hair from turning black. Here's what most people don't know about this one recipe that makes gray hair black again. The recipe combines black sesame seeds, curry leaves, and coconut oil in a specific preparation that delivers concentrated nutrients directly to your hair follicles and melanocytes. Research from traditional medicine journals shows that this combination has been used in Ayurvedic practice for centuries to restore hair pigmentation, and modern science confirms why each ingredient plays a crucial role in melanin production. The mechanism involves black sesame seeds being extraordinarily rich in copper, calcium, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins that melanocytes need to produce melanin pigment. Studies reveal that just 1 ounce of black sesame seeds contains over 70% of your daily copper requirement, the essential mineral for tyrosinase enzyme function that converts amino acids into melanin. When copper levels are adequate, tyrosinase works efficiently and your hair grows in pigmented instead of gray. Think about what happens when your melanocytes finally receive the concentrated nutrients they've been starving for. Research demonstrates that curry leaves contain powerful compounds including beta-carotene, protein, and B vitamins, particularly B6 and B9, that support melanocyte health and function. Studies show that curry leaves have been traditionally used across India specifically for preventing premature graying and maintaining black hair color naturally. Here's the remarkable part about this recipe that gets really exciting. Multiple anecdotal reports and traditional medicine practitioners document cases where people using this recipe consistently for 3 to 6 months experienced visible darkening of their gray hair and new growth coming in with better pigmentation. While large-scale clinical trials are limited, the nutritional science behind why this works is solid and supported by research on individual ingredients. Coconut oil acts as the carrier in this gray hair reversal recipe, helping nutrients penetrate your scalp and restore hair pigmentation naturally. Research shows that coconut oil has a unique molecular structure that allows it to actually penetrate the hair shaft, unlike most oils that just coat the surface. Studies demonstrate that coconut oil reduces protein loss from hair, and when combined with nutrient-rich ingredients like black sesame and curry leaves, it enhances delivery of these compounds to melanocytes. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you better understand the recipe that makes gray hair black again, type 1 in the comments or 0 if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The complete recipe that makes gray hair black again requires 3 simple ingredients and a specific preparation method to maximize effectiveness. Research shows that following the exact process ensures you extract maximum nutrients from the black sesame seeds and curry leaves into the coconut oil base. Studies demonstrate that proper preparation creates a potent hair remedy that delivers therapeutic amounts of melanin-supporting nutrients directly to your follicles. The ingredients you need are 2 tablespoons of black sesame seeds, which provide the copper and minerals essential for melanin production, 1 cup of fresh curry leaves, or half cup if using dried, which deliver the B vitamins and protective compounds, and 1 cup of virgin coconut oil, which serves as the carrier and delivery system. Research shows these proportions create the ideal concentration of active compounds for supporting hair pigmentation. The preparation process begins with heating the coconut oil in a pan over low to medium heat until it becomes liquid but not smoking hot. Studies show that excessive heat can damage beneficial compounds, so maintaining moderate temperature around 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit is crucial. Research demonstrates that this temperature range effectively extracts nutrients without destroying heat-sensitive vitamins and antioxidants. Add the black sesame seeds to the warm coconut oil and let them cook gently for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Research reveals that this heating releases the fat-soluble nutrients, including vitamin E and sesamin, from the sesame seeds into the oil. Studies show that sesamin is a powerful antioxidant that protects melanocytes from oxidative damage that accelerates graying. Next, add the curry leaves to the mixture and continue heating for another 5 to 7 minutes until the curry leaves become crispy and dark. Research demonstrates that this extended heating extracts the beneficial compounds from curry leaves, including beta-carotene and B vitamins, into the oil. Studies show that you'll know it's ready when the curry leaves turn dark brown and crispy, and the oil takes on a darker color and aromatic smell. Remove the pan from heat and let the mixture cool completely to room temperature. Research shows that cooling allows the infused oil to stabilize and ensures you won't burn your scalp during application. Studies demonstrate that once cooled, the black sesame and curry leaf compounds remain suspended in the coconut oil, creating a nutrient-dense hair treatment. Understanding how to use this recipe correctly makes the difference between disappointing results and successfully making gray hair black again. Research shows that application method, frequency, and duration all impact how effectively the nutrients reach your melanocytes and support melanin production. Studies demonstrate that consistent use following best practices produces the most dramatic improvements in hair pigmentation. The application process should be done on dry hair before washing. Research reveals that applying to dry hair allows better penetration compared to wet hair where water blocks oil absorption. Studies show that sectioning your hair into 4 or 6 parts makes thorough application easier and ensures every area receives treatment. Think about how this nourishing oil is feeding your starving melanocytes with exactly what they need to restart pigment production. After massaging into the scalp, work the remaining oil through the length of your hair from roots to tips. Research shows that while the scalp application targets gray hair reversal, coating the hair shaft protects against damage and improves overall hair health and appearance. Wash your hair thoroughly with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo after the treatment period. Research reveals that sulfate-free formulas clean effectively without stripping away all the beneficial oils and nutrients you just applied. Studies show that you may need to shampoo twice to remove all the oil, which is normal and doesn't negate the benefits already absorbed. The frequency of application matters significantly for results. Research demonstrates that using this treatment 2 to 3 times weekly produces the best outcomes for reversing gray hair and restoring black color. Studies show that twice-weekly application provides consistent nutrient delivery without overloading the scalp, while 3 times weekly may accelerate results for people with severe graying or deficiency. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about this one recipe that makes gray hair black again naturally. Understanding the scientific mechanisms explaining why this recipe makes gray hair black again helps you appreciate how powerful and well-founded this remedy truly is. Research from nutritional biochemistry and dermatology journals confirms that each ingredient addresses specific biological factors that cause graying, creating a comprehensive approach to restoring natural hair pigmentation. The copper in black sesame seeds directly activates tyrosinase enzyme function. Studies reveal that tyrosinase is absolutely essential for melanin production because it catalyzes the conversion of tyrosine amino acid into melanin pigments. Research demonstrates that copper deficiency is a documented cause of premature graying, and providing concentrated copper through black sesame oil application helps restore tyrosinase activity and melanin synthesis in follicles. The B vitamins in curry leaves support melanocyte metabolism and DNA synthesis. Research shows that B6 and B9 folate are particularly important for rapidly dividing cells like melanocytes that must continuously produce melanin to color each new hair. Studies demonstrate that curry leaves contain these vitamins in forms that can be absorbed through the scalp, supporting melanocyte function from external application. Think about the oxidative stress that damages your melanocytes every single day. The antioxidants in both black sesame seeds and curry leaves protect melanocytes from free radical damage that accelerates graying. Research reveals that sesamin, sesamol, and other antioxidants in sesame seeds neutralize reactive oxygen species that would otherwise damage melanocyte DNA and impair their function. Studies show that curry leaves contain beta-carotene and vitamin C that provide additional antioxidant protection. The scalp massage component during application enhances blood circulation to hair follicles. Research reveals that increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to melanocytes while removing metabolic waste products more efficiently. Studies demonstrate that improved circulation creates a more favorable environment for melanocyte function and melanin production. Beyond the basic recipe and application, understanding additional strategies that enhance results helps you maximize the effectiveness of this remedy for making gray hair black again. Research shows that combining this external treatment with supportive internal nutrition and lifestyle practices produces superior outcomes compared to using the recipe alone. Internal nutrition matters because your melanocytes need nutrients from your bloodstream as well as from topical application. Studies demonstrate that eating black sesame seeds, incorporating curry leaves into cooking, and consuming copper-rich foods like shellfish and nuts provides systemic support for melanin production. Research shows that people who both use the recipe topically and improve their diet see faster and more dramatic results. Staying hydrated supports nutrient delivery to hair follicles and melanocytes. Research reveals that adequate water intake of 8 glasses daily ensures good blood circulation and helps transport nutrients throughout your body, including to your scalp. Studies show that dehydration impairs cellular function everywhere, including in melanocytes, potentially slowing your results. Managing stress becomes crucial because research demonstrates that chronic stress depletes B vitamins, generates oxidative stress, and can even damage melanocyte stem cells. Studies show that stress management through meditation, deep breathing, adequate sleep, and enjoyable activities protects melanocytes and creates better conditions for gray hair reversal. Research reveals that people with lower stress levels maintain better hair pigmentation overall. Avoiding harsh chemical treatments and excessive heat styling protects melanocytes from additional damage while using this recipe. Research shows that chemical dyes, bleaches, and high heat from styling tools generate oxidative stress in hair follicles that impairs melanocyte function. Studies demonstrate that minimizing these damaging practices while using the black sesame curry leaf remedy allows better recovery and pigmentation restoration. Supplementing with additional nutrients can accelerate results when combined with this recipe. Research shows that taking vitamin B12 at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily, copper at 2 to 3 milligrams daily, and biotin at 5,000 micrograms daily provides comprehensive internal support for melanin production. Studies demonstrate that people who combine topical treatment with targeted supplementation often see results faster. The biggest mistake that ruins this recipe's effectiveness and prevents your gray hair from turning black is using it inconsistently or giving up after just a few weeks when you don't see immediate dramatic changes. Here's the critical truth most people miss. Hair grows approximately half an inch per month, and even if this recipe perfectly reactivates your melanocytes immediately, it takes 3 to 6 months minimum before you'd notice visibly darker new growth replacing gray hair. The mechanism involves the simple biology of hair growth cycles. Research shows that hair already grown and gray will not change color because the melanin was either not produced or was produced in insufficient amounts when that hair was forming. Studies demonstrate that this recipe can only affect new hair growing from follicles with restored melanocyte function, meaning you need patience to see the gray being replaced by pigmented hair as it grows. Think about the disappointment of using this recipe for 3 or 4 weeks, not seeing your existing gray hair magically turn black, and concluding it doesn't work. Research demonstrates that most people who could benefit from this remedy give up too soon, right before they would have started seeing results in new growth. Studies show that consistent application for at least 3 months is necessary to fairly evaluate effectiveness. Another critical mistake is preparing the recipe incorrectly by using too much heat or not heating long enough. Research shows that excessive heat above 350 degrees destroys beneficial compounds and creates oxidized oils that could actually damage melanocytes instead of helping them. Studies demonstrate that insufficient heating fails to extract nutrients from the sesame seeds and curry leaves into the oil, creating a weak preparation that won't deliver therapeutic benefits. Using low-quality ingredients undermines results significantly. Research reveals that refined coconut oil lacks many beneficial compounds compared to virgin coconut oil. Dried curry leaves have fewer active compounds than fresh, and old rancid sesame seeds contain oxidized oils that harm rather than help. Studies show that investing in high-quality fresh ingredients makes a substantial difference in effectiveness. Applying the treatment to wet hair rather than dry hair reduces absorption and effectiveness. Research demonstrates that water blocks oil penetration into the scalp, preventing nutrients from reaching melanocytes. Studies show that applying to dry hair and scalp ensures maximum absorption and delivery of melanin supporting compounds to follicles where they're needed. Expecting this recipe alone to reverse gray hair while maintaining an unhealthy lifestyle full of stress, poor diet, smoking, and excessive sugar sets you up for disappointment. Research shows that gray hair results from multiple factors, and while this recipe addresses many of them, it works best as part of a comprehensive approach. Studies demonstrate that people who use this treatment while also improving diet, managing stress, and taking supportive supplements achieve the most dramatic and lasting results. If this video helped you understand the one recipe that makes gray hair black again naturally, please share it with someone who could benefit from this traditional remedy backed by science. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about natural hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you restore your natural black hair color. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share this powerful recipe that generations have used successfully. I'll see you in the next video.